Or section 5
behind the building.
Law enforcement, 1385 Call Street, between Parkland Loop and Hawk Road. The 16-year-old male for evaluation. Morning, Barry Control 4, Luzerne emergency. Law enforcement, 1385 Call Street, between Parkland Loop and Hawk Road. 16-year-old male for evaluation.
When I saw that old guy walking alongside the road with only shorts and sneakers on, I called 911 to have them send a deputy out to check on his condition, because it's only 10 degrees out. And from the sounds of it, I believe the deputy called for an ambulance to evaluate him. So now I'm just going to drive back just to make sure that someone is checking on him. And we're getting close to the area where I last saw him, and it looks like I see an ambulance in the distance. So that's good that they got to him, because it's way too cold out to be dressed like that. Okay, I see the ambulance and the sheriff's deputy, so it must be they caught up to him.
We'll have that for 36 rolling truck routes each day if you want it. We're going to be compatible with VMS early in the future. According